morning everyone, welcome to Vlogmas day 7. I am still not 100% but feeling better. Literally nothing happened yesterday. I basically stayed in this exact spot on the couch all day. So yeah, there was nothing worth vlogging yesterday. I'm not really sure there's gonna be much of anything worth vlogging today. I have a couple of things in mind that I might do, but I'm not sure. So we're just gonna have to go with it. It's 11 o'clock and I've already had my morning meeting, gotten the few things done I needed to get done for work. And I have a 1 o'clock, brief 30-minute 1 o'clock call, speaking with one of my adjunct professors from my master's degree. They're gonna redo the coursework and stuff, and the classes required for my degree, and they wanted my input on the new course structure. So it's kind of cool to be asked that. But so I have a chat with Cindy at 1, and then that's it for the day. So I probably got 4 hours of sleep, so I might end up taking a little nap after my call with Cindy. But I don't know, I feel like I need to be productive. I really didn't do much of anything. I did bake some cookies yesterday. That's all I wanted to do, was like bake a batch of sugar cookies. So I did that and I ate too many of them. It's fine. These things happen. It is the holidays. It is the season of overindulging. So tomorrow is weigh-in and we will see what happens. So I'm thinking about doing some cleaning and organizing today. Trash goes out tomorrow, so I'll probably just do like a big run through of the whole house and straighten up and tidy at some point. But for right now, I am watching Victoria on Amazon Prime, and I'm just gonna sit here. This is why I've never done Vlogmas to begin with, because I feel like most of the people that do Vlogmas are like full-time YouTubers, and they have things to do, and they have, I don't know, something interesting happening every day. Or it seems like right now everyone's having a breakdown every day. Like 3 of the girls that I watch regularly have had full-on breakdowns already in the first week of Vlogmas. I'm wondering if everybody's okay. I mean, like, obviously a lot of people are not okay right now because of everything happening in the world. And I know that most of those girls that I watch live in LA, and LA just went in full-on lockdown again. So I don't think Kansas City's gonna go into full-on lockdown again. But I am gonna definitely be limiting how much I'm going out right now between now and Christmas, because obviously, like, are we less than 2 weeks away from Christmas? Are we 2 weeks away from Christmas? The point is, okay, so Friday is 2 weeks from Christmas. So like, if I happen to test positive between essentially now and Christmas, I would be spending Christmas here by myself, like with Brett. So like, we couldn't get to see our families, and I know a lot of people aren't seeing their families anyway, but our family's almost kind of quarantined together. But I don't know. So that's kind of what's happening right now. Nothing too interesting. At least my skin is looking really good. This was like an unexpected VSG thing. Like, I feel like my skin looks really good. Things are looking up for my skin game. If only that transferred to all of my skin. But it's another story for another day. So I am trying a bunch of products for you guys right now. I think I've got 3 sponsored products that I'm trying out, but we'll see how that goes. I went easy on it today because I was starting to get, I had 1 or 2 little breakouts on my chin, and then I stopped using what I was using, went back to the basics, and they're going away. So okay, so I'm gonna go back to this. Wow, thrilling content. Thrilling, absolutely thrilling. Okay, I'll catch up with you guys later. doing, Noodle? Are you sitting in the sun, cat? What are you doing? Oh, she's all warm. How long you been sitting here? Oh, belly scratch. I like to leave the front door open when I can so that the big boy Monstera can get some more light. God, that thing is huge. Oh my God. In the summer, I might move him over here so we can be even closer. But I really like him right here. Like, these leaves are just huge. Like, and the fact that I paid $23 for this is insane to me. See, somebody propagated him here, it looks like. So this is the big one that I want to propagate. I want to cut this part off right here, I think. I think that would be a good spot because that's got like 2 giant leaves. And my mom got me some shears to cut the yellowing spots off, but I'm just gonna leave him. He's okay right now. He's just hanging out. I guess I could do a plant tour at some point too. Okay, the kitchen is clean. I just had my 1 o'clock meeting and 2 of my packages have arrived. Let's open them up. It was a good call. I'm excited that, I'm always excited when somebody asks my opinion about something, but especially when it comes to my field of work. I love working in the nonprofit sector. I think there's a lot of work to be done, and I am happy to help. What is this? Okay. There were like some crazy good deals on Walgreens. If you don't have the Walgreens app, get it. Because they always have like coupons and all kinds of crazy things going on. So I think I got both of these toothpastes for $1, something like that. And then I got a package from Sephora that was Black Friday related. Today is the 7th, and I have a package that is not expected until the 10th. So I'm just gonna keep on waiting for that Black Friday haul. I just want to make sure everything's here. Got my samples. Yep, I wanted to try this. It's the Beauty Blender soap. Thought that would be good. This is not the sample I ordered. That makes me mad. I ordered a perfume sample and they gave me a professional hydrate primer. That's really annoying. That's not what I wanted. I don't like the professional stuff. It makes me crazy. Makeup palette. I haven't bought a makeup palette since I bought the Jeffree Star one. Before the whole scandal nonsense. What did I get? I got the purple one. Royal something purple. The purple one. Oh, damn. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I can't wait to show you guys which one I got. I think it's kind of, is that kind of, it's been unfocused the whole time. I have been waiting for this palette to go on sale, and it went on sale half off. And then I had enough points to get $10 off. And then I had a gift card. So I didn't pay a penny for it, which makes me really happy. And you're saying to yourself, we don't even wear makeup anymore these days. And I'm like, well, you know what? Still wanted it, and free is free, my friend. So, oh, and last year our very kind neighbors gave us some Christmas cookies and a beautiful Christmas tin. I saved the tin, and because I don't need all my cookies and because I planned on doing it anyway, I filled up her tin with the sugar cookies I made last night, and Brett is going to take those over to her when he's in uniform and ready to go to work. So, how are we doing on our propagating over here? I need to water some of these dudes. I'm hoping that I can get one of these plants to root because I want to give it as a present. It's not working so well. Look at my neon. My neon pothos. He's doing so well. He's so happy right here. He's starting to get a little leggy. And this guy, I am waiting for this guy to flower. This is a mother of thousands. It's a succulent. When I got it, it was about this tall, and it definitely didn't have this little dude on the side. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but so all of the little extra shoots come off on the edges there. It's kind of hard to see, but there's little tiny plants, and they have little roots on the ends, and if you put them in water, they will root up and make new plants. And it's got this little, like, see if I can get it to focus on that. There you go. So it's got all these like flower looking nibs on the top here, and I'm hoping it's gonna flower, but it's been that way for a minute. I don't know. I put him outside when I got him, and he just Alright, I just finished packing up my 2 Poshmark orders for tomorrow, and which is great because I shared everything on my closet and then listed a few things, and then that seemed to have triggered a couple of sales, which is great. So packed those guys up, they're ready to go, and I am ready to go to bed. So I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow morning. Be sure to subscribe to the rest of Vlogmas. Love you, Warrior Crew. Bye.